Hello students, welcome to this session. Hope you're all doing good. So in this session, we are looking into odd man out, the actual questions that you had in your AP ICET 2025. Okay, so let's see. Now before we go into the questions, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Time for ICET, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the notifications of the videos we upload in that channel. Okay. Right, so now let's look at here. Now he says find the odd number from the following. Okay, so here I see that they all are odd numbers first straight away. Then immediately I can say that option 3 is my answer because the remaining are prime numbers. That's it. The remaining are prime numbers. 21 is not a prime number. That is why it is your answer. Correct? Then next, find the odd thing from the following. Okay. Now if you see the remaining, the second number specifically, I can say that they are squares. Correct? So 576 is 24 square, 324 is 18 square, 100 is 10 square, okay, and 276 is not matching in this case, correct? Why? Because see, one observation that I can make is you have the number 12, but then it is doubling and then getting squared. Then you have the number 9, again you are doubling that number and taking a square. You are having the number 5, you are doubling and again taking the square. But 8, if I double it, 16 square should be 256, but I don't have it. And anyways, 276 is not a square, correct? So that is why that is going to be your odd one out. So basically it is n is to 2n whole square. That is the format we have. N is to 2n whole square. That is the format for the remaining options, correct? Then next, find the odd one out from the following series. Okay, so here the one observation you have is 8 is a 2 cube, then 27 3 cube, 64 4 cube, but then 100 is a square, but 125 5 cube, 216 6 cube, 343 7 cube. The only number which is not a cube is 100. So that is why choose it. So cubes is my logic. The common logic is cubes, correct? Right. Next one, find the odd number in the following series. Okay, so you have 28, 44, 64, 90, 116. Okay. Yes, we can say 90 is my answer because remaining all are divisible by 4. So divisibility of 4 is the logic. All are divisible by 4 except 90. So the one thing is you can identify the logic by using the options and see if it is matching with the remaining numbers in the group. That is one way you can check. Okay. Right. Then next one. Now we have letter odd man out. So we have BFU, which is 2, 6, 21. Then KOL, which is 11, 15, and 12. Then TXD, which is 20, 24, and 4. And IMN, which is 9, 13, and 14. Okay. Now here everywhere the first two alphabets, if you check, I can clearly see that you are getting +4 here. Everywhere you are doing +4 to get the second alphabet. But the other one, if you check, it is not same. Then one other thing you need to look at is if I combine these two numbers, if I add these two numbers, is there anything common? So except for the third option, remaining all I can say you are having opposite pairs. You are all having opposite pairs because by adding the two numbers, you are getting 27, correct? But here you are getting 28. So XC should have been there. 24 and 3, 27. But that is not happening here. So that is the logic. +4 and then opposite pair of the second alphabet. Got it? Choice 3. Next we have, yes, ASTRO, and that is written as AOTSR. Now, same alphabets are rearranged and written like this, but then if you focus from the left side, you only have vowels, AO sequence, but from the right side, when you look at it, you have RST, consonants. So the vowels in the word are written from left to right alphabetical. The consonants are written in the reverse alphabetical from right to left. Sorry, alphabetical from right to left. Okay, vowels alphabetical left to right, consonants alphabetical right to left. Okay, now let's see for thrive, THRIVE. So it is given as EI, okay, that is fine. You have EI, yes, but HTV should have been there, correct? Acha, R is also there. HTRV is given. Okay, so it is not HTRV actually, correct? Because R comes before T, so it is HRTV. But it is given as HTRV. But it is HRTV. Okay, so maybe choice 2. Let us see the remaining. So we have group. See, you don't have to write and check, you can check orally also. See, group. So you have O and U. So O and U is there. Then you have G, R and P. But P comes first. So it is GPR. So GPR from the right. Same way AP ICET. So we have AEI. So okay, AEI. And then PCT is there. What is the order? CPT. So CPT. That means option 2, where these are not correct. First R should come, then T should come. So option 2. Are you understanding the point here? Okay. So vowels from left to right alphabetical, consonants from right to left alphabetical. That is how they have rearranged it. Correct? That is how they have arranged it. Okay. Then moving on. Next. Yes, find the odd thing from the following. Okay. Now you have verbal. I will say Mount Everest. Why? Because remaining all are man-made. Mount Everest is a natural. Correct? The remaining are man-made things. Then 8th one. Find the odd one from the following. Ears, skin, tongue, heart. Heart is my answer because remaining are sensory organs. Remaining are sensory organs. Correct? Yeah. Here I will write the logic. It is man-made. The previous question, man-made things. That is the common logic. Everest is not. So now this is sensory organs, except for heart. Then find the odd one out. Mercury, Venus, Earth, we know moon, because the remaining are planets. The remaining are planets. And then again find the odd one from the following. Chemical explosion, because remaining are natural occurrence. The remaining are natural occurrences. Chemical explosion is not a natural occurrence. Correct? Okay. All right. So those were the actual questions of AP ICET 2025 for odd man out. Got it? Okay. Now, before we end the session, do join or subscribe to the YouTube channel Time for ICET, and these are the links for our social media handles, Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Links are given in the description box. And for classroom coaching, do contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at this link that is given to you. Okay. All right. So that is about it. Thank you and goodbye.